Indeedy. Ooh, what are you? Is that Dondozo? I think we have to go find Dondozo. I think we have to go find the Wells catfish. Humongo power. Do we go for a Humongo Dondozo? Get that giant Wells catfish. Oh my god, it is right there. Hi! There are videos of Wells catfish leaping out of the water and eating pigeons. They'll just hunt birds. It's something that actually happens. And it's wild. Here we have Dondozo. Let me just show you what a Wells catfish looks like. Here's one lunging after pigeons. Freshwater killer whales. They got it. Yeah, these catfish have learned how to go after birds. And they get like 1 in 3 or something like that. Like they're actually decently successful at it.